Well, Josh, I see number 6 is late as usual. Yes, that train never was on time but once, and then it was 10 minutes late. Hank Williams is having quite a time getting that barrel of salt in his wagon.
Hank ain't the man he used to be, is he, Josh?
No, he never was. Well, here she comes.
Baggage transfer.
Austin 7.
Baggage transfer.
Commercial house.
Austin 7.
Baggage transfer.
Commercial house.
Austin 7. There's a fella in the car talking to you, Judge. Are you talking to me, mister?
I was talking right at you.
You're a bad shot. You missed me a mile.
What's the population of this town?
Principally fruit.
I don't mean what do you raise, but how many people live here?
Get out and count them. They're all here at train time.
Anything going on here?
No, nothing ever happens here. Only sundown, sun up, and change of the moon.
Down in the meadow, the bobolink was singing to his mate.
To his mate.
Down in the meadow, the bobolink was singing. When I first met Blue-Eyed Kate, we wandered through the fields together as we listened to the bobolink, blink, blink. And we bobbed along, would never sever, as we listened.
Now, Lem, you stop that. Let the boys sing.
To the bobolink, blink, blink.
Who is that singing?
The Punkin Center Sympathy Quartet.
You mean symphony, don't you?
No sympathy. They have the sympathy of the whole village when they sing.
A local quartet?
No barbershop. What business be you in?
Chiropractor.
I don't mean your politics. What be you doing?
Chiropractor.
Oh, yes. What did he say he was doing, Jim? Chiropractor. A smart fella. I'll bet he sells a lot of it.